Hello students, happy Bijua to all. Hope you all are fine. Today we will start our math annual syllabus. For that we have to open the book. So all of you open the book. So open page number 99, chapter 6, that is geometry. We have completed up to chapter 5 in our half yearly syllabus. So in our annual syllabus there is from geometry chapter 6. So first is let's recap. Recap means what you have learnt in previous classes. We have to now recapitulate the same thing. So fill in the blanks. Number 1, a cube has how many faces? 6 faces. Number B, a sphere has how many edges? 0 edges. Number C, a cuboid has how many vertices? 8 vertices. Number D, a cube has how many edges? 12 edges. Hope you have learned it in class 2, but I will explain it again. Now match the following. You have to match the word with the figure. This is cube, this is cylinder, and this is cone. Number 3, if a pencil is run along the edge of a cube, we get a square. I will show you in the next page how we can get a square if we run a pencil along the edge of a cube. Next is edge of a cuboid. If a pencil is run along the edge of a cuboid, we get a rectangle. That one also I will explain you afterwards. Number C, if a pencil is run along the flat surface of a cylinder, we get a circle. Next, number 4, tick in the boxes where the solid object will roll down the surface. A, if you put the cube like that, then it will not roll down. So we will not put tick here. If you keep the sphere on that surface, then it will roll down. So we put tick here. Number C, cylinder. If we keep the cylinder in standing position on the plane surface, then it will not roll down. So we do not put tick here. But if you put the cylinder like this, lying on the curved surface, then it can be rolled down. So we put tick here. If you put the cone like this on this surface, it will not roll down. But if the cone is lying on the curved surface like this, then it will roll down. So that one we have to put tick. So now we will go to next page. We have learnt about triangles, circles, squares and rectangles. They are called plane shapes or flat shapes. Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval. All these are plane shapes or flat shapes. And you have also learnt about cube and cuboids. This one is cube and this one is cuboid. And these are the solid shapes. There are other solid shapes, sphere, cone, cylinder. Okay. So these are the solid shapes and these are the plane shapes or flat shapes. Square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called the sides. Rectangles also has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. But oval and circle, they don't have sides. And triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. So all these are plane shapes or flat shapes. But cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder, these are solid shapes. Now we will see how many corner or vertex and how many face and how many edges are there in a cube. So cube is a solid shape and it has 6 faces. are called the faces. These are called the faces. It has 6 faces and 8 vertices. These are called the corner or vertex, and so there are 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices and 12 edges. These are the edges. These are the edges. This one, these lines are the edges. How many edges are there? 12 edges. If you count it, you will get 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. If you see this chalk box, then it will be easier to understand. You see how many faces are there? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the down part. 6 faces. How many vertices? 8. 1, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 vertices and 12 edges. These are the edges. These are the edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Downward also 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9, 10, 11 and 12. So these 12s are edges. Now go to page number 101. Here we will see this one. If a pencil is run along the edge of a cube, we get a square. Now we will see this one. If a pencil is run along the edge of a cube, we get a square. If you run the pencil like that, then you will get a square. Okay? A square has all the 4 sides equal. These are the sides 1, 2, 3, 4 and all the 4 sides are equal. And this is a cube, but all the faces of a cube are equal to each other, and all the faces of a cube are equal. Okay? So that's all for today. Next day we will start from cuboid. Before that, you go through the book, listen to the video and try to understand. Then, thank you. Bye bye.